You often need to check your WhatsApp chat history, but sometimes you might find that important messages from a year ago are missing. What should you do in this situation? In this video, we'll teach you how to recover WhatsApp messages from a year or even 4 years ago. If you backed up your WhatsApp account a year or 4 years ago, recovering old messages is simple. Just uninstall WhatsApp and then restore the data to your phone via iTunes Backup. Method 1. Recover WhatsApp messages via iTunes. First, open iTunes on your computer and connect your iPhone. Select Restore Backup, then click Restore. If prompted, enter the password for your encrypted backup. Method 2. If you don't regularly back up your device, you'll need to use third-party data recovery software. Gbyte is a powerful recovery tool that easily retrieves deleted WhatsApp messages on your iPhone or Android phone without requiring a backup. Whether the data was lost 1 to 5 years ago or 1 to 6 months ago, this software can help you recover it with a very high success rate through simple steps. Using an iPhone as an example, here are the specific steps. Step 1. Download and install the Gbyte software directly on your computer or phone. After installation, launch the program and select Data Recovery on the homepage. Step 2. Log into your Apple account. This is read-only to ensure the security of your private data. Once the system detects your iPhone account, select WhatsApp Messenger. Click Start to scan your iPhone. Step 3. After the scan is complete, select the old WhatsApp messages you want to recover. You can choose to recover the old messages to your phone or computer, or to your device, and then click the corresponding button. You can also recover other data you want to recover at the same time. That's all for this video. I hope this content was helpful. If you have any other questions or insights, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends.